The Minister and the Prime Minister claim there's 400,000 more people in work, but the Office for National Statistics says there's 506,000 fewer people in work. Why is that? Because the government don't include the self-employed. What a laugh. The fact is, they say there's 1.1 million vacancies. That's because 1.4 million people have stayed in the EU. These are just empty jobs. There's less jobs, less people working. And as regards tax, they talk about tax. The Chancellor imposed £40 billion worth of tax last year, 2.7% of GPT, unprecedented. We're at 1950s tax levels, almost entirely unrelated to the pandemic, according to the Institute of Fiscal Studies. The reason, of course, is low growth. We should be at 40% on trend, higher level of earnings for people's pockets, for the economy as a whole. Compare that with Labour, 40% increase in the size of the economy to the 10 years to 2008, investing doubling the size of the education and the health system. The choice for the electorate is clear: high growth and investment in public services, or low growth and high tax and cuts. And that's what we're seeing. What business wants, my background in business, is market access, skilled workforce, cost control, stability, and it's been ruined by a botched Brexit. What we want is more engagement with the nearest biggest market, which is the European market. We want customs coordination with the EU so we can get the tariffs off. If we were in the customs union, of course, we wouldn't have tariffs from the US, and now we do. Why don't we work together instead of blow raspberries at them? And also, we want support in the high street that the front bench is putting forward. I also support the idea that local authorities should be empowered to have their own virtual hubs, virtual marketplaces to compete directly with Amazon, profits going to subsidise local services. So let's have a strong economy to pay for a fair society, not a weak and divided economy and a divided society. Labour is back in business, and ultimately we need a strong economy, and Labour will deliver that, as we have in Wales.